Hello, everyone. I'm James from the DoraHacks operations team. Welcome back to everyone that joined yesterday. This is round 8 of the Aptos Grant DAO demo sessions. Well, day 2 of the demo sessions, but it's round 8 of the Grant DAO. And we've got 6 amazing new teams for this round. We had 3 demos yesterday, and we've got 3 more demos coming up today. And the teams that we'll have today are Ledger App, and we've got Yield AI and Tabby POS. So adding to the grantee list of DeFi and yeah, just some of the great projects that we've had in the previous rounds before. So just a reminder, you can vote now from today until the 27th of June. You can head over to DoraHacks.io projects that you want to support with APT. Even a tiny donation will make a big difference to the ranking that they get at the end. And then we have 1,500 or 1,500 APT to be distributed to those teams amongst the 6 teams based on how they're ranked from the community vote. So head over before the 27th of June to vote, and we'll be distributing those funds in early July. Okay, so without any further ado, I can hand over to Paco and James from Ledger App. Guys, great to have you with us.
Hi, nice to meet you all. I'll just share my screen up.
Looks good.
Okay, you can see that okay?
Yep.
Okay then, so, okay, so we've built a project called Ledger App. It's based around our emoji coin of that particular emoji. You can see there it's available on, it's still on the bonding curve here. So yeah, we built a web app from scratch basically. This is the landing page, tells you some basic information about it. And essentially what it is, it's a draw it yourself or DIY NFT collection with an infinite supply. Now we've set up the Google Connect, as you can see here. So very easy to connect on a regular browser. You don't have to connect to your wallet or anything. Okay, so it's basically themed around, tearing a page from the ledger. So if I click on here, you get the little art app appears here, and you get a page of lined paper. So I'm just going to do a quick demo of the functions here. So you've got your size slider here, your pencil grade selector. You can also add an image to trace an image. So if you want to trace something, you can zoom in, or you can just like leave that there and then add some features to it. Like draw some stick people. The point of me drawing stick people will become evident. And then you've got custom color selectors. So I'll just get rid of that tracing image. And you've got the fill tool. Smudge. Just basic art tools, so you can basically I'll show you here what one of our regular users comes up with. These ones here, these ones with the red backgrounds, is drawn entirely by hand himself. So I'm not a brilliant drawer. So but anyway, so I did actually pre-prepare a couple of demonstrations. One where I've traced something, a little picture of Mr. Bean here. Now I'm going to show you the auto feature first of all. So this is for people that want to use a bit of AI in their NFT creation. So we've got some different styles here. I'm going to do a demo of Resident Ron, which is based on our resident artist user, and we made a music picture. Now this does take a second, so we will just be sitting here watching that spinner go for a second while it generates an image for us. This is using the OpenAI GPT image 1 model. So it's very accurate. It's actually passing 3 layers to it: the background paper image, the tracing image, and what we've drawn on top of it in this instance. And while this is going, you can notice up here the little timer here. I'll show you why that's there at the end. So there we go. We now have a AI generated image in the resident Ron style. As you can see, it's still got the paper background in the background there, and it's done in a very specific style related to the work that he's drawn by hand. So we go to submit that, and then mint your page. And then to mint, it's 10,000 ledger. And there you go, that's minted. I'll move on now to the other tab which I've got open, just to demonstrate quickly that you don't have to use the AI function. You can just, doodle a little message. You can, whatever you want really. But we've got our regular user, which he can sit there for an hour drawing, or you can just doodle something really quickly. But it'll always be on the timer here. So let's go and do what I put in there. I'm just going to submit this one to mint as it is. Okay. So then you go to the My Pages section. Sometimes you need to just give it a little refresh to get the most recent ones up. Okay, so there's the one that I've just minted there, number 127, and the one we did with the AI. So you can then list your price. So I'm going to put that one there, nice and cheap, 0.3. And then those will be, however, we are also a verified collection on Wapple. So you will now see the one I've just listed there on Wapple. You can see several examples of different styles that it can do. You can have some real good fun with this. There's no restrictions, just a light moderation, just to keep it nasty stuff from being in there. But you can draw what you like and just mint it to the collection. That makes you a really diverse collection of work. And we're going to introduce some features at a later point, like a raffle feature, so people can buy a ticket on a particular page number, and if that page number is selected at random, all the people that bought a ticket on that page number share the prize pool. We're also looking at creating auctions, so people will be able to create a piece of art and auction it off, but request the token that they wish to have the auction in. So say if they want to auction it off in another emoji coin, like Rocket 100, or they can do that. That's something that we'll be doing in the future. But also with regards to the styles, the auto AI styles, I'll be these are just some starter ones that we've added in. We'll be adding more styles in there, more features to the art app. We may even make it into an entire full page with more features. It's really just a stepping stone for the moment, but we're really pleased with how it's come out. There's my colleague Paco want to say anything?
Yes, also for the last year emoji coin, we will add more features. One of the things is because we want also our 6GPT AI. We want also to be able in Telegram where the people will be able to, for example, to deposit last year and also can use this AI to do all of these Aptos on-chain transactions as is doing right now CGPT. This is something I wanted to add, but that we will add. We are building actually this also, and yes, and many other features will come to for. That is all for our side, I think.
That's great. Okay. Thanks for the demo, guys. Good to see it in action. Awesome. Okay. We can move on to the next grantee, which is Yield AI. We've got Sergey with us.
Hi. Let me share my screen. Okay. Do you see screen?
Yep.
Presentation. Okay, nice. Hello, everyone. My name is Sergey Sadkov, one of the builders behind Yield AI, a new dashboard that makes DeFi on Aptos simple and accessible. Our goal is to solve a common problem with DeFi. DeFi is full of opportunities, but it's still too complicated for most users. That's why we built an interface where anyone can interact with lending protocols, compare yields, and manage assets all in one place. Right now, DeFi works in any market phase. You can earn yield in bull or bear condition, but most people, even advanced users, struggle to use it efficiently. Why? Because there are too many technical terms, dozens of fragmented protocols, which each of them has a different UI. You need to made many manual steps: swap, lend, claim, monitor assets, and you need also gas fees even for simple actions. So beginners stick to centralized platforms to access, and experienced users often do not reallocate funds, even when better options exist. And I think DeFi shouldn't be this hard. What we built? Yield AI is your personal DeFi assistant for the Aptos ecosystem. What it offers? One dashboard for all major Aptos protocols: Echelon, Ares, Hyperion, July, and others. Automated actions: swap, deposit, withdraw using our AI agent. Also, we integrated gasless transactions. Users can interact even without holding app, and text commands like send my Aptos to lending. Also, we have a public API already powering our multi-chain portfolio tracker FinKeeper. It's simple for users and powerful for the quick demonstration. And I commented. After signing up with Google account, you're instantly given a wallet address. You can send funds to it and start earning. For stablecoins, we support gasless swaps and one-click deposits into protocol, offering the best yield. I've already deposited assets across multiple protocols using this interface, for example, July and Echelon. In addition, you also can use text commands. For example, send my app for lending. We also added wallet monitoring for existing Aptos users. For example, you can see how it works. when I connect my Petra wallet. I use my Petra wallet, and when I monitor my protocols, Echelon, Julet, Hyperion, I can see in one screen all my assets, and I can monitor it and prepare for decisions. Also, I can see it. As you can see, when you land in different protocols, you need to monitor different tabs in your browser, different UI, and it's difficult to monitor, especially when you borrow funds and you need to monitor health factor or active or inactive liquidity pools. And right now we finalizing a unified portfolio view to manage and optimize all DeFi assets from one screen. Yield AI into a self-managing DeFi agent, not just a dashboard, but a system that reacts to yield, risk, and opportunities in real time. Here's what we're working on next: auto-claiming rewards from different protocols, auto-reallocation your funds based on API changes, index strategies that combine lending and diversification, public SDK for builders that already used in FinKeeper, and agent fees as our monetization model. No lock-in, no subscription. We believe DeFi should be intelligent, responsive, and easy for everyone. We are a small team with real DeFi expertise. I'm Sergey Sadkov. I am product builder and made AI integration. Also, I run YouTube channel about DeFi. Andrei Aneskov, developer behind FinKeeper and SDK, and Alexander Rybakov, our marketing and growth expert. Also, we already testing our application with real DeFi users, and the feedback, I think, was great because we have easy onboarding, Gaslit DeFi, monitoring across protocols in one place, and actionable AI-driven commands. We are collecting use cases and iterating fast. Thanks to the DoraHacks Aptos team for supporting new DeFi infrastructure. We're excited to keep building and would love to collaborate with other builders, wallets, or protocols teams. You can reach me anytime at Telegram or by mail. Thank you.
Okay, thanks, Sergey. Great to have you on board and for that presentation about Yield AI. That's great stuff. We'll go over to our final grantee now. We've got Lee from Tabby POS. Lee, are you there?
Hi, everyone.
How you doing?
I'm Lee, founder of Tabby POS. In the script, this is a real POS machine that let the merchant accept crypto in physical store. Today, I will demo a real-time payment using USDT on the Aptos blockchain. Let's say the customer want to buy a drink for just $1 USDT. The POS now show a QR code with the merchant wallet address and the payment amount. Now I will act as the customer. I will using the Petra wallet on Aptos to scan and pay. Done, the POS automatically detected on-chain transfer. And the receipt will printed like this one. Thank you so much for watching this demo. What you saw just now is not a concept. It's a real working technology. TBPOS is built for the real merchant, real payment, and real adoption for the crypto in everyday life. We believe the Web3 should be simple, accessible, and useful, not just for the tech people, but for everyone. If you believe in these visions, we truly hope your support, whether it's vote, a share, or just spreading the words. And together, let's bring the Web3 to the streets. Thank you so much.
Okay, thanks, Lee. That's great. And 3 very different projects, grantees we have today, but thanks everyone for joining and giving your introductions. So just a reminder, we have until the 27th of June to make a donation to vote for your favorite projects from the 6 grantees we've got for this round. And then there'll be 1,500 APT distributed amongst the 6 teams, depending on those votes that you gave. So you've got just under 3 weeks left to cast your vote. You can see all of the details for all of the projects, all of the grantees on the DoraHacks site. So that's dorahacks.io/Aptos. And yeah, head over now and check out the projects and connect your wallet to make a small donation to vote for the projects you want to support. Thanks, everyone. And thanks to all of the grantees as well for joining. Great to have you on board.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.